What is going on, YouTube? Having a great video for you guys today. Here at H. Gregg in South Florida. I want to show you guys their collection and go over a few of the cars and see what you guys think and which would you choose. So let's start here. Bentley Continental. Love the paint, love the graphite, love the wheels. Let's look at the interior. Nice touch. I like the two-tone. Beautiful speed. Not too crazy about that. Beautiful GT. All digital. Beautiful craftsmanship. You have the red stitching throughout. All right, let's look at something a little bit more sporty. What do you guys think? Would you guys take this? Let me show you the front. There's a fan here, so sorry for the terrible noise. McLaren 720S. 360 motor, pair of Urus, another Urus, Spider. Let's look at this one. $720S, absolutely beautiful. This is the spec I would get this car, this color. Ferrari SLS. Another Urus. Let's look at this one. Red stitching, very nice. I'm going to show you guys a very unique vehicle. This is a Ferrari, obviously. It's a 599. It's a Fernando Alonso edition. So a few interesting things is you notice the two-color paint, but this here, obviously the Ferrari's famous Formula 1 team, Scuderia Ferrari, Pininfarina. Look at this. 31 Formula 1 world titles. So that's obviously between constructor and drivers. So 599 GTB. Let's take a look at this. So again, an older Ferrari. Engine start. You have her modes. Again, older layout. You have the paddles. And then you have the Ferrari emblem there. Beautiful. We have an R8 V10. What do you guys think about this one? Very nice. I like the yellow. And this one is again a very similar setup, using the same chassis, same detuned engine as the Urus. Highly sport. Give it Porsche right there. RWD, rear-wheel drive. I'm not sure why they put that there. You'd think maybe they put like R8, but not that. Suede headliner. Again, two-seater. Let me get my seating position down. What do you think? I like the steering wheel. I like the flat bottom. Select your driver modes, start it. Alright, let's look at another one. A lot of Rolls Royces there. Cullinan, a Ghost, older Phantom, GT3. Alright, let's climb in the Cullinan. Never been in one of these before. Premium Rolls Royce SUV. Let's look at the back first. Ooh. This is that. These speakers, Rolls Royce. Sure, there's a button here somewhere. I don't want to break it. Is the button? No. I don't know what that does. So I wish this had the Starry Night headliner. Not sure if you knew, but that headliner, just the wiring on it, is like 2 kilometers of wires that goes there. But I mean, this is very plush. Rolls Royce. Growing up, this was always one of my favorite cars. The Lambos, the V12 Lambos. This is the Aventador. Beautiful. I don't think I've been in an Aventador, so this would be the first time for many of us. And then there's how you get in. That Aventador. Oh man. Let's close the door here. Feels like a spaceship. It's just sitting so low to the ground. And I love this like airplane cockpit. Turn it on there. Spectacular car. Like the orange, matching the exterior. Stunning. Now, that's an ashtray. Let's open the trunk. How do you get out of this car? Stunning. Alright, so now getting out, I would think it'd be here, but now this, I thought this was an ashtray before, but no, this is how you get out. Press the button and then you just lift the door up. Not too heavy. Getting out. Yeah, pretty light. Got big air intake for that. Love how you can see the engine in the back here. Big V12. Another Aventador, another Aventador. Huracan. Huracan Spider, Huracan Spider. Alright, let's look at some Porsches. Which one do you guys like? This GT3, this GT3. Oh, I like that very much. That's a GT3 RS. That color, that matte color is so nice. Several other Rolls Royces. If I had to pick a Porsche, this one I like very much too, a GT3. Let's look at that GT3 RS again. Then you have a Speedster here. Oh, and you have the new GT3. I think I like this. What do you guys think? This or that? Again, that is a GT3 RS, not a really GT3. That's a GT3. Another GT3 or GT2? GT3 RS, right? Because the GT2 usually have the more black here. See, GT3. I love these here. Let's look at this interior. You have a roll cage in yellow. You have a racing seatbelt. Yeah, this feels like a more of a normal car as you're sitting on it, as the Aventador feels like you're sitting on the ground. Now this is definitely low as well. Seats are very sporty. Well, they have this Now this looks kind of tacky, but it saves weight. I don't know how much weight it saves, but apparently it saves some weight. And again, Porsche is more minimalist, more traditional, nothing too flashy. But you do get cup holders. Voila. Yeah, I like this. Seat is all, steering wheel is all Alcantara. I like this. So I guess on your track it tells you where the center of the wheel is. Driving around, that's nice too. So this to get out, you just gotta pull this here, and you're out. Let's look at this GT3 RS here. What do you think, the blue one? Or the orange one? Let's have a look at the orange one. It's suede here. With a storage bin there. Again, have that as well. This one does not have the roll cage. Still, great seating position, you see everything. Stunning. Oh, can tilt this. I like the orange, but I'm not too crazy about the little black lines. I think I prefer that, the cleaner look. And now the final car we're gonna look at today, this is GT3. And it's actually a 6-speed. See, I like that one as well. I'd be torn between the two. Again, H. Gregg, South Florida, great collection of cars. Let's look at the GT3. I noticed the door handle on that one is like round, but this one is more flush. So you just gotta put your hand in there. Locked. I know this door here you pull there, but this one's locked, so I can't get in. But this is a 6-speed GT3. Yellow seat belts. Stunning car. Love this wing here. Nice beefy tires. See if we can get into this GT3. See if this is open. This one's beautiful as well, stunning. Red stripe here, very nice touch. This one's spec'd out very nicely as well. I like the red brake calipers with the red GT3 there. Let's see if this is open. It is. You see when you open it, the door handle doesn't go back in. Only when you close it does it go in fully. And it looks similar to the stick shift there, but this is an automatic. Oh, just so clean. You get my seating position, right? Stunning though. GT3 here. Your drive mode selector there, Porsche. Digital, analog, love it. Now this is sitting on the ground as well. It's absolutely stunning. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more. And I hope you guys like it, subscribe, leave a comment below. Thank you.